Hi! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kano sa ka nagtanaw ani. Today is another special day. As you can see, yeah, I'm wearing my bag again because manlakaw ta. It's time. Maligo na ta. It's not like wa ko naligo. Actually naligo ko, but you know, ligo na somewhere. Yeah, somewhere. We'll go into a beach with friends, and we will be going there. We will be. I don't exactly know where, but today is going to be a fun day because daghan man ta. Anya, I don't know when I'm gonna vlog with my son. If I'm gonna talk to you guys, mutago ragyapon ko kay these guys now. They don't know na vlogger ko, so and they're here, so I'm gonna go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hero, saan ka na? Nagdawi akong extra na lens ya.
Ano ba?
Oo.
Katong imo gipalit?
Ay, nara.
Kana, okay pa na mo.
Oh, gana pa, pero manual tanan. Dito na si Romeo.
Tuwa sa kuan.
Trabaho pa?
Trabaho. Sunod na daw siya.
Ika na si Romeo. Ako na balik.
Nagdakag racket.
Ano mo, sir?
Nabay-table
Huwag
dito.
racket.
Pingpong ka mo dito sa dagat.
Na-tables dagat.
Pag nang training yun. Pag sinaalod sa kanyang hangin.
Sakto gini stage eh.
Ha?
Sakto gini stage eh.
Nansa?
Ang yan nakita ang ganina mo.
Oh, lagi. Sakto. Hi ba, hi ba. Ah!
Hi
Stage.
TJ, hi TJ.
Kuan ba? Inaana ako stage yung pinakamaayaw na mulang wizard mo.
Ayaw. Piling na si Michael bro.
Sumitay.
Hey boys.
Tablets kita.
Kauban lang ni TJ.
Kasi may mga banda ko. Kuha ko
Si Kuya Hair pa, si Kuya Hair.
Si Hero.
Ako, pa si Kuan. Kaban ko. Sige, sige, sige.
Kuha
sige.
na lang si
Ayaw kay si Bad.
Raim.
Tara right, tara right.
Balik ta.
Tawagan na lang si
Right,
right.
Effie.
Kuan sa nina?
Ski team di.
We have arrived.
Hindi naman gusto maikot ang TJ. Kasaraman.
Lamanok. Kay panagsaon naman ta makalaag. Video dahil. Dear Diary. Mo ni si Hero wala pa mo bida. Amo ning manghod sa mo bida gid mas panganya kay Haris. Haris yung gahid kan ni manghod ni sa bida. Engineer. Lego tanya kay di man nato matutog sa camera tingali. Last note na ni namo ba. Basit dito. Wala. Kapoy kayo. Wow ka, this is probably the longest video na ako trabaho within this year because it took me 2 days para lang ni mahuman ang kanina video because supposedly gahapon ko magbuhat ani pero ang nahitabo nakatog ko pilaw kayo as in like you go on like maligo ka then kapoy kayo so pilaw kayo pagkabot sa balay ano nakatog ko dito so I'm just gonna end this video again by saying goodbye. Ooh, by the way, before ni nato i-close ang vid, episode 13 will be a B-roll again. No, well, it's not exactly a B-roll because it's it's not a B-roll. It's a video. It's a project I'm doing. It's not my project, pero I'm the one filming it. So it's gonna take time. But episode 13 is a dance by a class. Actually, duha man daw sila ka grupo, but this is another group of one class. If that even made sense. And ako'y nag-video nila. Actually, human na mag-video, but I'm still gonna edit it. And I don't know how it will go because that was the first time I was filming a music video. It's not actually a music video. It's like more of a dance cover, interpretative dance. I'm not a dancer, so yeah. I'm just gonna say goodbye again. Goodbye if you made it to this part of the video, the ending part. I just want to thank you again. If wa ka nag-skip, I thank you very much na wa ka nag-skip sa video. Highly appreciated. And if you haven't yet, press, you know what to press. And I think that's it. Episode 12. I know my ending is bad. It's always bitin. Like ang ako ma videos no kay permi bitin ang kuan ang ending, like ang ending gid permi kay na-address balay, na-address kwarto. Kaya di man ko maka-ending, di man ko maana. So that's all for today. Yeah, di man ko makaana. So di rin ako sa balay matiwas kay permi gid ko makalimot sa ending ana dito na vlog. So di rin ang gyapon ko. I'm gonna try to fix that ending maybe next time. But for now, I'm just gonna end this vlog by doing this again, covering the screen. And yeah, goodbye. Wait.